So as we discussed in a previous video, I had told that below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and in this area market may take a bounce. Market performed exactly like that. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. Those who had taken here, they might have got one SL. And above this level I had told that there were chances of V-shaped recovery. It gave a V-shaped recovery, but from here and up from this level also it has given a V-shaped recovery. So above this level market analysis remains same, that we have to look for buying opportunities. And now that it has made inverted head and shoulders type of pattern like in here, there are more chances that it will continue giving us momentum. Another thing, so in this weekly chart, we can see that it has overpowered this whole selling zone. This tells us that above this level, we have to look for buying opportunities, and there are very high chances that once it gives a breakout above this level, we can see a same move like it gave in GBPUSD. In here, you can see in GBPUSD, as it broke this whole level, we saw a good up move. So same type of momentum we can expect. There are very high chances. So a good breakout and then a good momentum on the upside. Then it gave a complete retracement. That also happened, but this is very likely that once it gives a breakout, then there are very high chances that it will move further. Now for the whole week we can expect that market may take a good bounce, or if it remains above this level, this whole level, which is 156, above this level, if it remains, then there are very high chances that it in near future it is going to give us a breakout. So on hourly basis, support and resistances have been drawn, support and resistances have been modified. So above this level we look for buying opportunity, this will be a no trade zone, and below this level we can look for shorting opportunities, that too in half quantity. And above this level, if it gives a good bounce, there are very high chances that we can see another breakout. But if it comes below this level, there are very high chances we can see good downside. Euro USD, nothing major happened. I told that below this level we can expect a downside move. It went and then gave a complete reversal, but that too we have achieved easy 22 pips. The no trade area, and above this level we had to look for buying opportunities, that too in half quantity, and this was a very choppy zone, so we had to avoid this whole zone. So now on a weekly basis, what it looks like, you can see that it is just a retracement. There are high chances that market may take a good support, like in Euro USD we are seeing good inverted head and shoulders breakout. So now breakout, so after a breakout there is a retest, and it has given a retest, and there are very high chances that it may regain this level. Okay, so in the near future we can expect that market may give a good bounce be confirmed above this level. It is fully confirmed that we are bullish. Okay, so in here we will take full quantity. Until and unless it comes above this level, we have to take in half quantity. This zone will be a no trade zone. So I'll modify new support and resistances. New support and resistances have been modified. So in here we can again expect downside and then a good bounce. Okay, if it doesn't comes, this will be a no trade zone. Only above this level we'll be looking for buying opportunities, and we will look for bullish trades more often than selling, because the trend looks like that it has taken a bounce and it is going to continue this bounce. So same in GBPUSD also. I told that above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. We got one, and I had told that we have to take in half quantity. It went only 50% in our direction, and it is reversing. Let's see what happens. This was a no trade zone, and below this level I had told that we have to look for shorting opportunity, and that too in full quantity. And those who had taken, they have achieved easy from here till here 50 pips. Okay, it was a good reversal. This was a strong reversal, but then too we have achieved good points. So now I'll modify the support and resistances. Support and resistances have been modified. So on a weekly basis we can see that there are again high chances, like Euro USD, that it may take a bounce because a good breakout has come, and this whole zone may act as a support. So we'll look for a bounce opportunity, and once market shows that it is good, giving a good bounce, and when it will be confirmed, it will be confirmed only when it moves above this level. Okay, above this level only will be fully confirmed that it is a good bounce. Until that we have to take in half quantity in this whole zone, look for starting opportunities only. Okay, performed as we expected. Below this level we have to look for starting opportunities. It gave us from here till here 4000 points. Again below this level I had told that, again at this level I had told that below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and those who had taken, they have got easy 8000 pips till here. And after this reversal we got our SL hit. Okay, so anyway we have achieved easy 6000, 4000, many have booked 5000 points easily. And at this zone I told that market may take a V-shaped recovery. If it does, then we have to wait, let it cross above this level, then only we'll be looking for buying opportunities. So now it has performed it, and on a weekly basis what it looks like, this whole zone may act as a support, and it acted as a support. So this is a very good opportunity for investment purposes also, because there is always a chance whenever Bitcoin gives 50 to 40% correction, there are very high chances it is going for a new high. And this year we can see that Bitcoin is giving us new highs also. So you can start investing in this whole low levels. So there are very high chances that we can see another good bounce from here till here, 95% bounce. Okay, but we'll look for opportunities only when market confirms that. So we are still slightly bullish and look for bullish opportunities. Let me modify new support and resistances. Support and resistances have been modified. So once market comes above this level, we can look for buying opportunities, that too in full quantity. This will be a no trade zone, and once market comes below this level, we can look for selling opportunities easily. Okay, what I told exactly happened, but I didn't expected a V-shaped recovery in here, but it has given a V-shaped recovery. This was a no trade zone below this level. I told we have to look for selling opportunities. I had also taken trade. It went till here, leaving a target. It retraced completely V-shaped, and our trail SL got it. But the target was of 100 pips. The target was of 1000, but it didn't give the trail SL in here. I was trailing on 15 minutes, so I went till here. In here, our trail SL got it, and just after that, it gave a further breakdown. So this is part of trading, and it will keep happening. So what gold looks like? As I have told earlier also, that once gold crosses this level, then only we can be fully bullish. Until and unless this happens, we can see that we can expect that gold is going to go in sideways momentum for 2 to 3 years easily. But let's see, if it, I may be wrong. If it goes above this level, we can see a good bounce and further movement in gold also. So I'll modify new support and resistances. And unless market goes above this level, for the time being, you can scalp or take in half quantity and trade. So what it looks like, currently it is in bullish pattern. So we can expect a good downside momentum. And if a bounce comes, we can look for further buying opportunities above here. Another scenario is market may consolidate a bit and then give a breakout. Third opportunity is once it comes below this level, you can look for short. Once it comes below this level, you can look for shorting opportunities. This whole zone will be a no trade zone. Okay. Take in half quantity until it remains in this whole zone. Okay, once it crosses above this level or below this level, then only we can look for shorting opportunities. If you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.